Hi guys, Alan here, Faintness. Today's workout is going to sort out your glutes, help prevent lower back injuries from running, and strengthen the glutes and all the area around here for you to be able to enjoy your runs and not suffer from pain. It's a follow-up video to the stretches that you should be doing every day in relation to this to make sure that you have you're not tight around this area and to open it up. So it's basically a series of short workouts. We're going to do 2 rounds, 30 seconds on each. Before you do that, what I want you to do is just do a small warm-up. Nothing, just get the heart rate going. And also subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. So in 10 seconds we're going to start. So just stick with me and we'll get it done. Okay, 5 seconds now. That's it, nice and slow. Go from the front, up and down. All the glutes getting worked here, guys. Lower back, getting strong. You need to probably do this all the time, every day. Keep going with it. Okay, now the next one we're going to do is single leg deadlift. So it's a straight leg. Either version just comes down, then you lift the leg slightly, then bring it back up. That's it. That's it, keep going. And then we change legs. See it from this side. That's it. Keep going with it. Nice and steady, guys. That's it. Excellent. Okay, now we'll do rear lunge. So lift the leg, push it all the way back nice and slow, then stand. So you're nearly going to one single leg squat on this, but I want you to bring it right down before you put the leg on the ground at the back. So I'll show you from here. So just keep alternating it. All the way. Chest is up. That's it. Has to be rear, guys. I want this. So just going to really target all that area around here, yeah? So you're lifting her up and putting the strength on. Okay. Alright, next one, guys. A bridge with leg raise. So you're going to hold her up like so. And then we'll bring her up. That's it, keep going. Hold her up there. That's it, straighten that up. That's it, keep going. Excellent. Next one then, we're going to do single leg hip thrusts. So I'll do it from one side first, and then I'll change it around. So lift the leg and push the hips right up. In the front. Here we go. So all the back is doing the work to get that up. The hips are doing the work. We're working all this area. So by the end of this workout, you'll have all this worked. Keep going. That's it, keep going. That's it. And then we change. And lift the left leg this time. And then we're going to go from the right. And push right up and down. So from the side again. back. Pause on the top, bring it back down. So if you're suffering from the lower back pain, you're strengthening this area up. It's giving you a little bit of protection, yeah. That combined with your stretches, do this every day. You will get there. Okay guys, then we do it all again. Okay, squats, up and down. Nice and slow. Sit right into it. Push on the outside. Yeah, you're like you're sitting down, so your knees shouldn't be going past the toes. We're sitting down as far as we can all the time. Okay, now deadlifts. That's it. You forward all the way and bring it back up. Keep going. And then we change opposite side. There we go. That's it, push out. Excellent. Okay, now rear lunge. Alternates. Here we go. That's it. And drop. Remember, nice and slow. Last thing you do is put that foot down on the back. Show on the side again. That's it. Leaving to the last second. So I'm getting the full strength and then lifting back up again. Same thing, lift that leg when I'm coming up. I'm trying to get that. So you're nearly doing a single leg squat, but you're not pushing in. So you're going to get lower on this. I start doing, that's it, up we go. Okay, ledge, bridge. Leg raise up to the side. Hold it. Up. That's it. Really hard. Targeting it now. Nice and slow. Excellent. Okay guys. Now we're going to go single leg hip thrusts. Back down. I'll do it from each side. So lift one leg, push the hips are holding and pause on the top. Here we go. Pause on the top, that's it. And we change. Here we go. Lift it up and then here we go. Last one guys. Well done. These are also good for getting you a nice rounded butt. Just sort of point that out. And that's it, guys. That's it. Very, very simple. Very effective. Hits everything that you need to start strengthening them. It's probably a workout that I would do daily if I had a problem with my lower back, which I did, and which I do. So I'll do this all the time. I'll make sure that I'm hitting it, even though I'll incorporate different of these aspects of it in most of my core workouts. But I find that the more I do this and I combine it with my stretches, that I have little or no problems with my lower back anymore, and I'm putting in tons of mileage. So hope this helps. If it does, share, tell them about my channel, and subscribe, like, ding the notification bell, and I'll keep sending you loads of super videos. Thank you.